Hello everyone, you are welcome on Errors Flow. Today we will see node.textContent versus HTML inner text. So this is URL for node.textContent property and here this is HTML element inner text property. You can go through this, but I am explaining using this. Okay. So here text content returns the raw text of every node in the source, including style, script, and HTML and hidden elements. If you see here, inner text is easily confused with node.text content, but there are important differences between the two. Basically, inner text is aware of rendered appearance of text while text content is not. This is very much important line because inner text is aware of rendered appearance. So rendered appearance means this is rendered appearance. Okay, and if you see source of this, so this is source. Okay, so inside source you will see something kind of styles, and this is in rendered appearance. Here you will not see this one, right? So this is rendered appearance and this is source. So text content returns the raw text of every node in the source. So what will be here raw text? It will going to return that, including styles, scripts, and hidden elements. So here this is hidden CSS. If you see display none, here it is invisible. Here it is visibility hidden, and here you will see some text. So this is text transform uppercase. So accordingly this is. So if I am going to print both using element.text content and element.innerText, in that case using text content we'll get something like kind of this, and inner text we can get this. So inner text we see that it is printing as it is on rendered means what you are going to see on the web page. Okay, so here this is rendered one and it is looks like here same inner text, but in text content if you see it returns as looks like in the source. Here in source you will see hidden CSS secret is paragraph is display none. So you will see here secret this paragraph is display none, right? So it is going to print including styles, script, and hidden elements because inner text is aware of rendered appearance of text while text content is not. Now hope you understood this one. Now we'll see something different. Here both replace the elements children with a single text node. Okay, but when setting inner text converts slash n into br elements, while text content keeps it as a literal character collapsed by css. So here if you see it is getting printed in single line, but here it is getting printed in two lines, right? Because inner text converts slash n into br elements. Now this is summary. Defined on node works on text nodes comments, inner text HTML element only, hidden elements display none included. Okay, as we seen here, this is included display none. Here this is excluded. This scripts styles text included. This is excluded. White space exactly as in the source. Normalized as rendered. Block elements produce line breaks. Fast, no layout needed. Triggers reflow to compute rendered style. So one thing you need to uh, see that performance. Okay, so here in performance if you see this is fast because no layout needed. Okay, and here it is triggers reflow to compute render style. This means here it triggers reflow to compute render styles, means it is going to actually reflow the compute, okay, and then it will see what it is going to render, and accordingly it will go to print, right? So it will take some time, but it is no rendering is in reflow of rendering is needed, reflow to compute is needed. So what is going to do is it is just fast, because here if you see this rendered appearance of text, it is aware but this is not. So this is actually very important line, you can remember this, okay. Thanks for watching, stay connected to Errors Overflow.